Hey everyone, Chad Wehrs, Wehrs Machine and Racing Products. We're proud to introduce our all-new Ricky Alvarado inspired Eco Smasher. This is a new tool that lets you take your load stick, if you already have a load stick, and use it as a spring smasher to check the load on your coilover assemblies. On the Eco Smasher, you can also rate front springs. So we have a helix adapter that goes on the slider, so you can put a front spring on a coilover slider, put it in the Eco Smasher, and do a 1-inch move and check the rate of the front spring. A long piece of threaded rod comes with your Eco Smasher. This is what you'll use to convert your load stick to use in the Eco Smasher based on the range of motion you need to rate your assemblies. The main frame of the machine has 4 holes on the top. This is where you can change the height of the top plate to get your whole range of motion. This machine will go from 15 inches to 30 inches. This is an Eco Smasher, so there is no length measurements on the machine. The easiest way to do that is on the car, measuring outside of spring cup to outside of spring cup. And then when you bring your assembly into the Eco Smasher, you'll smash to those numbers. We do make different center finders. However, if your bolts aren't perfectly lined up, you can't get accurate measurements on the car. That's why measuring cup to cup is the best way to do it. Once you have all your measurements ready, then you can come over to the Eco Smasher, you'll zero your load stick before you hook it up into the assembly, then you're ready to ratchet it down. So we really don't have any numbers to go off of here, but if this was our measurement 12 3/4 to the edge of the plates, this would have 491 pounds of load on the assembly. Check out the all-new Eco Smasher at wehrsmachine.com, or if you have any questions about it, give us a call at 608-486-4343. Thank you.